Hi, I'm Brendan O'Loughlin. I'm a senior Kimmy at Louisiana Tech, and here we're going to do the falling ball viscometer. So right here, the purpose of this is to drop various balls of different densities in these three different tubes, one of oil, one of glycerin, one of water, and you're going to measure with a stopwatch as it goes down to find the velocity. So to find the spheres, you walk over to this drawer over here. You open this up, you can find this little case. And for this experiment, you're going to do each tube. For each tube, you're picking 3 different spheres. So make sure to pick spheres of different densities. For example, here's a metal sphere, and here's some type of plastic sphere. But do not pick one that is too light, such as this black one right here, because it'll just float in one of the liquids. So to operate this, you come over here, and to see it easier, you can turn on this light right here. And so the basic idea is, you'll open this top, and you'll drop this ball down here, and watch it fall, and you can see the measurements right here. And when it gets to the bottom right here, to collect it at the end of the run, you will make sure both of these are closed. Make sure this bottom one is closed right here. This is important so the fluid doesn't spill out. So open this valve right here to let the ball fall through. Sometimes you need to take one of the long rods and kind of poke at the bottom and make sure the sphere falls down into the first valve. So then, this step is important. Close this top valve right here, so both of them are closed, and then open the bottom valve so the liquid that is trapped right here in the ball fall out into the collection. To find the terminal velocity of the sphere for each run, you're going to need 2 team members. One to hold the camera up and another to hold the timer up. So one of the group members is going to hold the timer and start whenever they drop the sphere. So they're going to start the timer, and then the sphere is going to fall down, and they're going to follow the sphere with the timer as the other group member follows the sphere and the timer with their camera. So you can see both in the background the measurements, and you can see the time at the same time. So later on, you can find the velocity. So in total, there's going to be 9 trials, 3 different types of spheres for each liquid. So the easiest way to do this is to drop the first sphere and then have the person time it and then follow it with the camera at the bottom, and then the second sphere, the third sphere, and then at the end, do the collection method where you open the first valve and then close it, and then open the bottom valve where you collect the spheres again, where you can then reuse for the next run. Good luck and go dogs. Woo-hoo.